The hermit did not respond and continued digging the ground. The hermit didn't give any response to king's questions and he was continuously digging the ground. Some time passed and the king, seeing the hermit to be tired, and offered his help. Now the king was watching hermit that he was digging the bed and he became tired. So king offered his help. The king continued digging the ground till evening. Till evening, the king continuously digging the ground. Some times passed, and the king, seeing the hermit to be tired, offered his help. In the evening, the king again requested the hermit to answer his questions. In the evening, he again asked hermit to answer his questions. But at the moment, someone came running towards the hermit's hut. But they have seen somebody was running and coming to the hermit's hut. The wounded man. A man came running towards them with a hand on his wounded stomach. The king cleaned the wound and dressed the wound, controlling the flow of blood. The man felt better and asked for some water. Hermit and the king took the man inside the house. The man was lying quiet inside the house, and the tired king too fell asleep on the ground. So, when the wounded man came to them, then the king cleaned his wound and dressed the wound and to stop the flow of blood. Now the man was feeling better and he was asking water, and hermit and the king both have both took the man to their hut where he was sleeping quietly, and the king also got tired. He also fell slept on the ground. In the morning, when the king opened his eyes, he saw the wounded man asking for forgiveness. When the king was awake, then he saw that the wounded man was asking for forgiveness. The man told the king that he had come to take revenge from him. Now the man is telling the king that he had come to take revenge from the king because the king had killed his brother and had taken away all his property. Because he was giving that king had killed his brother and he has taken all the property, so the man came to kill him in order to take revenge of his brother's death. He wanted to kill the king while returning from the hermit's place. So he knew that king has come to the hermit, so he thought that it is a good chance to kill king over there, so he came there. But the king's bodyguards found him and wounded him. But the king's bodyguard had seen him and he wounded him. He would have died if the king would not have helped him. And he would have died if the king did not have helped him, did not dressed his wound, then he might got died. He regretted his thoughts of killing the king and promised to be his faithful servant. Now he is regretting for his deed and he is asking forgiveness from the king, and he is saying that I will be your servant. The king was pleased to turn his enemy into a friend. Now the king is very happy when he saw that his enemy has become his friend now. He forgave him and returned all his property. And he has forgiven him and he has given all his property. The king then went to look for the hermit who was sowing seeds in the beds that they had dug the day before. He requested the hermit for last time to answer his questions. To this, hermit replied that the king has already found the answers. So now the king again went to the hermit and he is asking his questions, but hermit is saying that you have got the answers of your questions yourself. To this, hermit replied that the king has already found the answers. If he would not have pitied hermit's condition the day before, then the man would have attacked him on his way and he might have lost his life. Now he is telling him that if you have not helped that wounded man, then you might have lost your life. So the most important time was when he was digging the bed, and the hermit was the most important time man. So when the hermit was digging the bed, so it was the time when the king has to help the hermit, and when the wounded man came, then it was the duty of king to help him. So what is the most important time to take any decision? That is the present time, that when we have to take any action. So he is explaining when the wounded man arrived, the most important time was when he was caring for him, else he would have died of his wounds without the two of them reconciling for their eggs. So at the moment, the wounded man was the most important man, and nursing him was the most important business. So who was the most important man to him at that time? The wounded man, and to nurse him, it was his prime duty. The hermit said to the man that the most important time is now, because it is only time when we have the power to act. So he has given the answer that it is the most important time is now, where we have the powers and we can act. The most important person at a particular moment is we ourselves, because future is unknown to all of us and there is always an uncertainty about meeting anyone else. So the most important job is to do good to others, because we have been sent to this world for this noble cause. So our most important job is to help others, because for this only God has sent us to this world. So the moral of the chapter, that we should live in the present moment and do the right thing and help others. I hope the chapter is clear to you all. Thank you, children.